Hello?
Hi. Guess who?
I guess I don't know.
But you do know.
But I do know?
Yeah.
Well, let me hear your name and I'll tell you if I know it.
Dick bitch. Dick bitch?
Big bitch?
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
What's my name?
Yeah.
Apple.
Apple?
Apple? What the fuck? Dumb.
You're dumb?
What? You're dumb? What?
Yeah, I'm dumb.
Bitch, nobody hangs up on me.
I'm a fucking next.
Oh no, you didn't hang up on me. Oh hell
This is so.
no. Oh hell no, you did not just hang up on me.
Hello?
Oh hell no, you just not just hang up on me.
Is this Carrie?
Carrie who?
Carrie who? Who is this?
This is Jesus. Yeah.
That's right, mofo. Jesus!
Yeah. Do you have a problem with that? Do you have a problem with that? Bitch.
Yeah, hold on. Talk to my boyfriend.
Keith? Keith?
Hello?
Keith?
Who?
Keith?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's talk.
Let's talk.
What?
Give us Keith.
Who's this? Give us Keith.
What the fuck is this saying, yo?
We want Keith.
This isn't Keith, this is Steve.
Well, we want Keith.
Keith ain't here, yo.
Keith.
Is Keith in my bed right now? Is he waiting for me?
This voice sounds mad familiar, yo.
Who? Where's Keith?
There ain't no Keith here, yo.
Where is he?
I don't fucking know.
Don't you live with him?
Yes, I live with him.
Well, where is he?
What?
Where's Keith?
I don't know.
But you live with him.
With Alex.
Is this you? Is this Keith?
This bitch is mad retarded, yo. I'm hanging up with him.